This is the 2000 count digital multimeter from Majortech. This is a lightweight, pocket-sized multimeter, a great option for the home handyman, and allows you to test AC voltage in your home, DC voltage and DC current in battery-operated appliances and in your car, continuity in circuits, and resistance in fuses and speakers. This multimeter has a digital LCD screen that displays large and easy-to-read values and has an automatic negative polarity indicator. It has a manual adjustment switch and can test up to 500 volts AC and DC, 10 amps DC, up to 2000 kilo ohms of resistance, as well as testing diodes and continuity. The test leads have a safety collar to protect you from shock hazards, and the multimeter has fused lead plugs to prevent overloading and damage to the meter. Overall, a great option for the home handyman. If you found this clip useful, like it or share it. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.